reach right in. Oh, what a surprise! I wonder what's hiding inside. What's in my pockets? Let's take a peek. What will I find? Come on, let's see. Keys, a toy, or a yummy treat. Pockets are so fun and sweet. Mom's got pockets, big and deep. Look inside, what will she keep? Tissues, phone, or a little snack. She always has what we lack. What's in her pockets? Let's take a peek. What will we find? Come on, let's see. A coin, a pen, or a bouncy ball. Pockets are the best for all. Pockets on my shirt, pockets on my pants. I'll check them all, do a happy dance. Look inside and pull things out. Pockets make me want to shout. What's in our pockets? Let's take a peek. What will we find? Come on, let's see. Something small or something neat. Pockets make our day complete. Pockets, pockets, I love them so. So many places things can go.
Please find my other educational links in the description box. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such learning videos.